This is Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling over here at HQ3 in Glendale, Arizona. Nomadic Cooling, and we are unboxing the CFX3 35. This is the second smallest size of the Dometic portable refrigeration systems. This one will actually fit in between your center console or your two seats, your driver's seat and your passenger side seat in most Mercedes, Ford, and Dodge vehicles if they do not have this. Well, I'm talking about vans, okay? I'm only talking about van people here, okay? You can use it to grab drinks while you're driving, okay? This one is a little tighter than the 25. I probably would go with a 25 if it's going in between my seats so I could have a little bubbly while I was driving so it stays cool on the road. I know most of you people out there are keeping your cups in your cup holders, but no longer. Keep your cups in your cooler. That's what I always say. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go over key features of this product brought to you by the Dometic marketing company who makes your stuff sound very fancy, and then we're gonna do the unboxing. So let's get into it, Kenny. Okay, it has flexible power options like DC and AC. It has rugged construction, efficient power consumption, user-friendly interface, convenient app, and as I've said before, it's easy to carry. I don't carry my CFX cooler, to be honest with you. I put it in a stroller. That's the only way I go. And more, Kenny. It has a generous volume of 36 liters. It has heavy duty and lightweight exo frame construction with fender frame protection, edge and aluminum alloy handles. It has powerful compressor technology. It is easy to read, high resolution, color display. It has soft touch buttons. I've always wanted soft touch buttons in my life, Kenny. No hard buttons. It has a 3-stage dynamic battery protection system to prevent dead battery in a car, and it allows you to draw deep charges on dual batteries. It has active gasket technology, providing a superior seal to retain cool air and minimize power consumption. It sounds to me like it does it all, Kenny. Let's open it up. Let's get into it. Don't be scared, Kenny, because my muscles are big enough. I don't want you thinking I don't have what it takes. Well, that one's definitely a little heavier than the last one. Those are those soft touch buttons they were talking about earlier, guys. Soft touch buttons. It has, oh, look at this. 12 volt and 120 volt AC DC charger for the back. Also active gel, and it's got the cool basket. I've always wanted a little basket. Now I already have a plug already plugged in here, Kenny, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in here. Let me turn it around so you can get me plugging it in action, like an action shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power on. I'm gonna set the voltage or the temperature right over here. 25, Kenny. We've got 25, 15 and a half, I'm guessing. 25, 15 and a half, and it looks like 16. The CFX 25 and 35 all open one way, just like that, to get all your stuff right on the inside. Now, Kenny, as this thing's cooling down, we need to show people how much stuff can fit in here. It's very important that they understand the real-world implications of what this thing can do. Why don't you come on back here and help me? Yeah, go ahead, fill her up.
All right, 4.
Okay, I think we'll fit more if we lay them down.
8.
8.
12.
We're at 12?
16.
16. Is that 20?
20.
Did you forget to count?
24.
24. You were at 24 plus
8.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I think that's it. There's a light inside, super robust handles. Look at this guy. Boom. You want to stand on top of it? You want to jump on top of it? You can't break this thing, Kenny. Oh, you got to. Well, it's full, Kenny. It's full. It's robust handles, robust top. It's got a ultra quiet design. You can fit all your Red Bulls, Rockstars, Monsters right on in here. There's nothing else that you need. If you want it, we got it. Now here's the thing, Kenny. If you want to go further in comfort with a refreshing beverage in a refrigerator made by Dometic, I want you to reach out to Nomadic Cooling today. Give them a call and see if we have what you need in stock. And if you have a question, don't hesitate to give Nomadic Cooling a call. I don't know. Are these good at all? You're quiet over there.